there should be a partnership of the unions, labor, of the government, of the private sector, so that we are able to confront this difficult period together. And this is not to say labor rights should be trashed. Then in terms of county governments, national government, we ask the employees of the national government and county government to realize that they have not lost jobs like in the private sector. And they should not take that for granted. So that productivity must be evident. And they must know that to keep these jobs, one needs to work harder than before, because a time might come when even in the public sector, people begin to lose jobs. So it is better to really work hard to show that one has good productivity, so that they secure the job even in the long haul. And finally, the law says that in a county government, at least 30% should be from another county, so that people don't employ from only one county everybody. And I thought that it may be necessary to change the law so that there can be inter-county transfers. You can be in one county, you can be taken to another county, so that at the very least there is no county which doesn't have the face of Kenya. I think that is an important thing as we grow our devolution.